My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, hello, my name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music2makeup. So today's video, I honestly never thought in a million years I would ever be doing, because I don't like doing videos unless I feel very confident in whatever I am doing, whether it be makeup or whatever I am talking about, a personal growth topic. And when I first started my YouTube channel, I could not put on lashes for the life of me. And I was like, I guess I'm just gonna have to be one of those people that doesn't wear lashes. I was trying to accept that, and you know, slowly I would read more tips, kept trying, and here we are today. I am a lash connoisseur. Well, I don't know if I'd go that far, but I can put some lashes on. So I'm going to be talking about all the tips that I have learned over the past 3.5 years that really made it possible for me to put lashes on and for them to look good. And yeah, they just completely changed it. Like, they changed my life, my lash skills completely. And I would like to pass those tips on to you guys. So if you're interested in hearing the tips and tricks I have, then keep on. All right. And you know, another good way to start is magnetic lashes. One of my friends just had her birthday, and you know, she keeps saying like, I want to, you know, learn how to put lashes on, and I got her some magnetic lashes. So, all right, I'm going to be using these Sephora and House of Lashes multi-dimensional prism lash in L-A-P-I-S. I don't know, they're pretty. I love House of Lashes lashes. Here's what they look like. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is, you know, measure it out on your eye, and if you need to cut off any excess, do so. And if you do need to trim them, make sure you trim them on the outer part of the lash. But I just lucked out somehow, and most lashes fit my eye perfectly, and I don't need to trim them. So next I'm gonna get some tweezers and peel it out of my container. Now, especially if they're brand new, but I do this all the time, I take the lash and I kind of wiggle it back and forth to kind of loosen up the stiffness of the band. Now, this is a tip that I learned just recently, and it's made a huge difference. So take whatever lash glue you know you like. I like the House of Lashes lash glue. This is just some Kiss lash glue, and it works all right. Now, the mistake I was making before this tip is I was placing the glue right on the band. Here, I'll show you. I was putting it right on the band. Now, the tip is to put the lash glue on the very top of the band, because when we lay our lashes down, we're gonna do so at like, we're gonna go in and kind of at a tilted angle to where the band is kind of at maybe a 45-degree angle. You don't want to go straight in with them, because you're not going to get, they're not going to look right, basically. And I like to make sure that the ends are, you know, have a good amount of product on it. So as you can see, it's mostly on that very top right there. So now I'm going to set it down, and I'm going to wait approximately about 45 seconds for the glue to become tacky. When I was first starting out with lashes, that was something I didn't know you had to do. I just would go straight in, but you have to let it sit and allow it to get tacky, because if not, you'll put the lash on and it'll slide around. One of the things I like about the House of Lashes lash glue is that it turns kind of like an iridescent green when it's tacky. This does not change at all, so And then also, I'm gonna go back and forth and try to make the band just as curved as possible. So sometimes I like to go in with a lash applicator, sometimes I'll just go in with tweezers. So it's really your preference on that. You know, try both, see what works best for you. And then I recommend some sort of like handheld mirror. It can be a compact, anything. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna tilt the lash down. See how I have it tilted? You're gonna wanna come in from the top and then lower it down into the lash. And then I'll take the back of whatever tool I used and just kind of press the band down. And you can also use your fingers to just try and get it as, oh no, close to the lash band as possible. And then I'll go in with some tweezers, and I start at the middle, and I'm gonna like squeeze the lash band together with my own lashes, but I also make sure that I kind of tilt it upwards because we want the lashes to be curling upwards. Okay, and there we have a beautiful lash. So now we repeat the other eye, which is my weaker eye. It's funny though, like sometimes I'll get a better lash application on my weaker eye. Not all the time, but sometimes. So I'm just gonna put that lash glue on the top. As you can see, it's on the top. And then I also like to wear eyeliner when I'm wearing false lashes just to help conceal the band. If you don't like wearing a liquid eyeliner, you could always use a pencil eyeliner or even a dark eyeshadow. So while I'm waiting for it to become tacky, I'm just going back and forth with it. Okay, and we're gonna tilt it at an angle, go in at the top, and then lower it down. And then I'm gonna go in, squeeze the lash band together with my own lashes. And actually, I did a better application on that side. You can see how much more fuller and curved they are, whereas this side, it's not as curved up. Okay, so those are the tips and tricks that I have learned over the years to help me put lashes on, and lashes really do like complete the look, and you honestly go from like a 7 to a 10 with lashes. As horrible as that is to say. Alright guys, I love you. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you next time. Bye.